Good day, traders. This is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com, and today we are looking at 24option.com. And the reason why is because I was asked to do a formal review of their new signal service. If you have not traded at 24option.com, use the link below and you can get your account set up easily, as well as your signal service accounts. There's two different accounts. There's the account for trading and the account for signals. Once you get the account set up and funded and whatnot, then you get the free signals, and they're pretty simple to use. And I've been looking at them for the past couple of days, and I just wanted to share with you what I thought. I've been asked for a couple of years about signals, and I haven't found too many that have been positive to the trading experience. And what I'd like to do is find one that's positive and hopefully get you guys on the right foot if you do require a signal service. You know that how we teach at BinaryOptionTrading.com is to manage your risk, understand the risk of trading, and then trying to learn how to trade with your money. We have certain techniques we've been following for years, and I just want you to, keep doing that. But if you want to look at signals, here's one option for you. I think I might have another option for you down the line. But right now at 24option, what they're doing is every hour or so they're not pumping out signals every 2 minutes. You're not bombarded with signals, but you do have access to lots of assets here, about 20 or so. And to break it down, you have, let's say, the pound, yen, silver, Aussie dollar. The time it's given, usually on the hour, like 3 minutes past. You can see here it's 16:01 and whatnot. Call or put, and the reliability. Now, the reliability is obviously what you want to follow the most. Usually, if the reliability is high, it means that market or that asset is moving. If the asset is low, you can't really see down here, but if it's really low, that means it gets kind of soft or there's no real good range, and it's probably best to avoid it. We'd like you to check out the chart before you actually enter, but you got to be kind of quick, I think, to follow these signals. I haven't determined if you should take it. I'm thinking take a normal trade with them. Don't take a 60-second trade, but take a normal 10, 15-minute expiry, and hopefully that trade will work out in your favor. So we did take a few trades, and we have a little trade history here. And I'll share with you. We took 5 trades, one the last hour, and one the following hour, and then one 2 hours later. So we took a trade on the Euro USD, had a signal, took a call option, and it worked out. Took one on the Euro, a pound call option, and it worked out. Took one on the USD yen call option, worked out. Took a trade on the Aussie dollar put option, did not work. Took a trade on the pound yen, and it works. We had 5 trades over the course of, and we could add a ton more, but these are the ones we decided to take. We took the most reliable trades according to the alerts, and these are the ones that work out. So we went 4 for 5, pretty good. Definitely money is made, and overall we are happy with the alerting we got so far. Now, is this going to mean you're going to get winners every time? Obviously not, because we had a loser here. As long as you're above 55, 60%, you're good to go. Again, we really want you to trade on your own, but this gives you an option to look at other potential ways to take trades. And it's not pumping signals out at you every 2 minutes. It appears to be on the hour, and you try to take the best ones possible. Now, if you follow pound yen or certain assets, you might not trade the NASDAQ. Might not be one you want to take, even though it could be a high reliability. Don't necessarily go take it. Follow the markets you've been looking at, and then you can add more assets as you go. But try to focus on a couple of assets, and if you get a high reliable signal, then you can take it, a call or put or whatnot. So keep your trading systems alive. If you don't have a 24option account, that's one thing, but you trade where you've been trading, and if you see an alert, then you can trade it as well. So can you trade the 24option alert at a different broker? At this point, I don't think so, but you can ask your representative, your customer service representative, if you can get access to the signals. They might have a service fee for the signals in the future. Right now, it's for a lot of mostly new customers. So if you're new to trading or new to binary options or haven't opened a 24 option account, use the link below, get your account opened, and then what you can do is start getting these trading alerts. Pretty much it's on the platform just like you normally see it. So if you didn't have trading alerts, you wouldn't see this little column here. You would just see your open trades and trade history. And once your alerting system is set up, you'll have this tab here. You log in separately within the platform, and then your signals are populated every hour or so. Obviously, when the market's closed, there are no signals, but usually so far what we've seen this morning is on the hour, the signals are coming in, and there's a reliability level, and we're probably taking the top 4 or 5, looking at those, and then we break those down to 1 or 2 trades. And in our case, we took 3 that last hour, but we'll keep testing this out. Give it a shot. Take a look at it. It could be, could work for you. I know a lot of people have asked me over the couple years that they've been looking for signal services, and this could be the one for you. Now, we might have another signal service down the line to look at. Seems like they're coming out of nowhere these days. So, again, we like you to manage your risk. Always understand the risk of trading. That's the most important thing. You could lose all your money. Okay, that's just it. I mean, you could. So be ready, be smart. Don't just go call, put. Just don't go throw money at this thing. Be smart. This is not something get rich quick. Be smart with your trading, and then over time, it could work out for you, and you can find some good setups and whatnot. So, again, this is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com. This is the first look at the trading signals at 24 option. What we'll try to do is we'll do a couple videos like this and see what we see, and hopefully provide you with some more information about it. And if you have any questions, leave it below. Subscribe to the channel, as well as check out the website, and more information about these signal services will be coming. So be on the lookout for that as well. So again, have a great day. Manage your risk and smart trading ahead. Take the best setups possible. And if you see a good signal, let me know how the signals are working out for you. Leave a message below if you did sign up, or you are going to sign up. You can use the link below to do that, and we'll go from there. So this is Rich with BinaryOptionTrading.com. Have a great one. Talk to you soon.
Asset prices fluctuate on a continual basis in line with changes in the underlying supply and demand. Key to successful trading is being able to anticipate changes to this supply and demand. In this sense, markets are very news-driven. Surprise announcements can often catch markets off guard. This is one reason to always ensure your stop loss is in place and well positioned. The other type of news announcements are the scheduled ones. These range from companies' quarterly earnings to macroeconomic events. The economic calendar sets out the upcoming market announcements, and it's important to realize the weighting that various events hold. For example, an inflation report or central bank interest rate announcement can have significant impact on the markets. In the knowledge that key events on the economic calendar tend to create volatility in the market, many traders will use these announcements to set up trades. The corollary of this, however, is that more risk-averse traders will stay clear of the market in a situation where uncertainty is imminent. Whether you embrace or avoid holding positions around key economic events, it is nonetheless important that you are aware of what is coming up on the economic calendar. The assets you have invested in may be performing well, but these gains are not immune to a general market fall. It is therefore vital that you realize the impact that can be caused by powerful events on the economic calendar.